Hey everyone, welcome back to Soulmate Spectrum. Today, we're going to dive into the essential habits that define a well-groomed man. Whether you're looking to step up your grooming game or just refine your existing routine, these 18 tips will help you look and feel your best. Let's get started. Number 1. Daily showering. This might seem basic, but it's the foundation of good hygiene. A daily shower helps you stay fresh, clean, and free of body odor. Use a good quality body wash and make sure to scrub all over, paying extra attention to areas prone to sweat. A fresh start each day sets the tone for the rest of your grooming routine. Number 2. Skincare routine. Every well-groomed man should have a skincare routine tailored to his skin type. Cleanse your face twice a day, morning and night, to remove dirt and excess oil. Follow up with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Don't forget to use sunscreen daily to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Consistent skincare can prevent breakouts, reduce signs of aging, and give you a radiant complexion. Number 3. Regular haircuts. Keeping your hair well trimmed and styled is crucial. Visit your barber every 3 to 4 weeks to maintain your hairstyle and avoid looking unkempt. Discuss with your barber the best haircut for your face shape and hair type. Consistent haircuts ensure your hair always looks neat and stylish. Number 4. Beard maintenance. If you have facial hair, keeping it well groomed is a must. Trim your beard regularly to maintain a clean shape. Use beard oil to keep it soft and prevent itchiness. Brush your beard daily to keep it tangle-free and distribute natural oils. A well-groomed beard can enhance your appearance and make a strong style statement. Number 5. Nail care. Don't neglect your hands and feet. Keep your nails trimmed and clean. Use a nail clipper and file to maintain their shape and prevent rough edges. Consider regular manicures and pedicures for a polished look. Well-groomed nails reflect attention to detail and personal hygiene. Number 6. Oral hygiene. Brush your teeth at least twice a day and floss daily to maintain good oral health. Use mouthwash to kill bacteria and keep your breath fresh. Regular dental checkups are essential to prevent any dental issues. A healthy smile boosts your confidence and leaves a lasting impression. Number 7. Fragrance choice. A well-groomed man smells good. Find a signature scent that suits your personality and wear it daily. Apply cologne to pulse points, such as your wrists, neck, and behind your ears. Avoid overdoing it. A subtle fragrance is more appealing. The right fragrance can leave a memorable impression and enhance your overall presence. Number 8. Hair care. Use quality shampoo and conditioner suited to your hair type. Avoid washing your hair too frequently as it can strip natural oils. Use a leave-in conditioner or hair serum to keep your hair smooth and manageable. Regularly brush or comb your hair to prevent tangles and promote a healthy scalp. Number 9. Facial hair grooming. Whether you prefer a clean shave or a stylish stubble, keep it well maintained. Use a sharp razor and quality shaving cream for a smooth shave. If you have stubble, use a trimmer to keep it even and tidy. Facial hair grooming adds to a polished appearance and can define your facial features. Number 10. Body hair management. Trim or shave excess body hair to stay clean and neat. Focus on areas like the chest, back, and underarms. Use appropriate tools like body trimmers or razors to avoid skin irritation. Managing body hair contributes to overall grooming and can make you feel more comfortable. Number 11. Eyebrow grooming. Keep your eyebrows neat by trimming any stray hairs. Use tweezers or visit a professional for shaping. Avoid overly thinning your eyebrows. Aim for a natural yet tidy look. Well-groomed eyebrows frame your face and enhance your overall appearance. Number 12. Skincare beyond the face. Take care of the skin on your body too. Use a body scrub once or twice a week to exfoliate dead skin cells. Apply body lotion daily to keep your skin hydrated and smooth. Healthy skin all over enhances your grooming and feels great. Number 13. Dressing well. Your grooming extends to your wardrobe. Wear clothes that fit well and suit your style. Keep your clothes clean, ironed, and in good condition. Pay attention to details like matching your belt and shoes. Dressing well complements your grooming efforts and boosts your confidence. Number 14. Shoe care. Keep your shoes clean and polished. Regularly clean and condition leather shoes to maintain their shine and longevity. Replace worn-out shoes to avoid looking shabby. Well-maintained shoes complete your look and show attention to detail. Number 15. Hydration and diet. Drink plenty of water daily to keep your skin hydrated and flush out toxins. Eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals to support healthy skin, hair, and nails. Good hydration and nutrition are the foundation of effective grooming. Number 16. Sleep and rest. Ensure you get enough sleep every night to allow your body to repair and rejuvenate. Lack of sleep can lead to dull skin, dark circles, and a tired appearance. Prioritize rest to maintain a fresh and energetic look. Number 17. Regular exercise. Exercise improves blood circulation, which nourishes your skin and gives you a healthy glow. It also helps in maintaining a fit and toned body. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine for overall well-being and grooming. Number 18. Confidence. The most important habit of a well-groomed man is confidence. Carry yourself with poise and self-assurance. Good grooming enhances your appearance, but confidence completes it. Believe in yourself and let your inner charm shine. And there you have it, the 18 habits of a well-groomed man. Remember, grooming is not just about looking good, but also feeling good and confident in your own skin. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe and turn on the bell button for more videos like this. Stay groomed and stay confident. See you in the next video.